Hey, thanks for coming back. This is pretty much a part 2 video of our Ryker exhaust sound check. We have a new player in the game here, and that's that Brannon King exhaust. We finally get our hands on it from Damon there with the Green Lantern Ryker. We have a whole video on that coming out, but wanted to squeeze this one out first. Of course, you got to have that control, which is Ryan's stock exhaust. And of course, right now I'm running that prototype by RLS Exhaust. So we're pretty much going to pin them all together. 600s with that RLS, 600 with the stock, and then we have a 900 with that Brannon King. Like I said, we finally get our hands on it. ThrillMouseMoto. Damon met us up. He's in San Antonio, so not far. We ended up meeting up like halfway. We actually forgot that he had a different exhaust to a comparison video. When we meet up, he shows us he has that Brannon King. We've actually never heard it before, never seen one in real life, only on videos and such. So we're like, this is a must. So in us filming and doing a walk around video, like I said, I'll just drop that one pretty soon after I upload this one. So look out for it. So if you want to see more about that Green Lantern Ryker, it will be coming. But let's get to it. Like I said, before, it's just idling and cruising around.
All right, kick that one up. Kick that one on one more time. Man, I like the way he blues it like that, dude.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
And I like the way it claws up.
I think the Predator's still louder.
Think it is?
Yeah.
Man, too bad we couldn't get Kevin to come out with because he still has a Predator on his 900. Because this is a 900 too.
Yeah.
So both of ours are 6. So it's not the coolest comparison, but at the same time.
It'd
Dang.
be interesting to hear that on a 600.
mine sound quiet as hell, dude. Man, that's pretty much how the Predator is. What we got so far is like, this new one here is like, has the same type of sound as the Predator, but it's not as loud. I was thinking that one was gonna sound like, just like the Predator period, but it has a different sound too. That's with the drag, man. I wish we could have got the Predator side by side with it.
On the highway, it's loud.
Really?
It's real loud.
And you listen to music in your helmet or just the speakers you have on the side?
Both.
Oh yeah?
In the helmet, I think I'm still listening on there because it's louder now, because when I had him in the back, I couldn't hear nothing. So I had to move it so I could hear it driving down the highway.
When you say you had the speakers on the back, you had them...
I had them right here, playing like this.
Oh, but they were getting you on the back?
Yep. Can't hear nothing, they were muffled.
Oh, plus it's behind you too. So
Now I can hear plain as day.
With
to turn it pretty loud.
for the exhaust.
So hopefully that helps you guys out with whatever you want to know about, these two upgrades, exhaust upgrades for your Ryker. Like I said, they're not all the same. So we have noticed when we've been doing these comparisons that the 600s are louder, but you could see that, you're hearing it for yourself. So I'm not going to tell you which one's louder more than the other one, but that's kind of the idea. I want you to hear what it sounds like in idle, hear what it sounds like just kind of cruising around. You can be the judge for yourself. So if you're looking for loud, if you're looking for less loud, if you're looking for quiet, hopefully these comparison videos will help you out. But it was cool for Damon to hook us up, meet us, so we can get the Brannon King weighed in on all this. And like I said, I'm still running that RLS prototype. So that one was kind of hard to explain on how it sounds. So hopefully getting another loud exhaust side by side with it, you can kind of get a better idea how it sounds, get a better idea how that Brannon King sounds, and then the comparison to stock, because that's what we're competing against, right? Which is as quiet as it gets. Appreciate you watching.